Information coming in that Acharya Satyendra Das, the chief priest of the Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya, has passed away at the age of 83. He was undergoing treatment at the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences in Lucknow, where he breathed his last. His demise marks the end of an era for the Ram Janmabhoomi temple, where he had served with devotion for decades. My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adib, this is truly the end of an era. For over 3 decades, the Acharya had served at the Ram temple, and now information coming in that he has breathed his last.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, see, it's an unfortunate news that is coming in that Acharya Satyendra Das, who was the head priest of Ram Temple, he passed away during the treatment in Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Medical Institute in Lucknow. He was admitted a few weeks back when he suffered a brain hemorrhage, and first he was taken to a hospital in Ayodhya, and then he was referred to SGPGI in Lucknow. In fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also paid a visit to him. But the unfortunate news is coming that he has passed away. In fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also expressed the condolences, saying that the Acharya Satyendra Das, who was the head priest of the Ram Temple, has passed away in Lucknow, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. In fact, Acharya Satyendra Das had been offering prayers to the Ram Lalla idol even before the Ram Temple had been constructed. After the construction of the Ram Temple, he took over as the chief priest of the Ram Janmabhoomi Temple. He was a chief priest and would dedicatedly offer prayers at the temple, and he has dedicated his life and several decades of his life to the Ram Lalla temple. Now, tributes continue to pour in, with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath as well taking to social media to give his tributes, saying the demise of Acharya Shri Satyendra Kumar Das Ji Maharaj, the supreme devotee of Lord Ram and the chief priest of the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple, Ayodhya Dham, is extremely sad and an irreparable loss to the spiritual world. Humble tribute. He goes on to say, we pray to Lord Shri Ram to grant a place to the departed soul at his feet and give strength to the grief-stricken disciples and followers to bear this immense loss. Om Shanti. That's a tweet that has come in from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. With that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back.